brothers. So today video is very special for Chiliz holder. Yes, Chiliz holder, congratulations. I have one not two good news for our Chiliz holder. Yes, two good news. The one news I explain you in this video, and the start and second also in this video. So let's get started the price prediction of Chiliz coin. But before I get started this brand video, my brothers, this is an informative video. I request you to, before I start, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Click on the red button you can see here in the below. Please click the red button, and also press bell icon for especially for new videos and good news. Yes, and also don't forget to broke this like button, broke this subscribe button, because this is very good for you to you update and I inform you. Okay, so you can see here, the first of all we can start the live price production of Chiliz coin. This time the previous chain you can see here a very high chain, and the previous last 24-hour chain is very good. You can see here, and the price is absolutely gone up like a rocket. You can see here the chain occur 16.29% going up. So congratulations, my brother. Chiliz is going very fastly. The price is this time, if you can see here, 0.5367 US dollar. My brother, some people tell me to what we do if the cryptocurrencies, if Chiliz gone up, what we do in this time. So this time they're going up. I also, this is very important, I tell you what you do. Okay, you just does not watch. Okay, just do something. These three things you important to do in this time: selling, holding, or buying. These three things we are doing at this time. They gone down. Okay, these three things are very important to you do it. Okay, so first of all I'm gonna show you the market cap to what's gone. And in the market cap you can see here the Chiliz market at 16.44% gone up, and this time 3 billion something market cap has gone up. This is good, absolutely. You can see here full diluted market cap at 16.45% gone up. My congratulations, my brother. And also the market volume of last 24 hours as very highly moving up, definitely very high chain, and this is record, guys. This is record. Chiliz make a record, and crypto market totally lost in last 24-hour result market cap. But definitely I don't know how is it possible to Chiliz gone up like a rocket. So Chiliz is one of the fastest cryptocurrency. You can see here 267.50% going up. Congratulations, my brother. Congratulations, my brother. So the one question people ask me very fast, very highly, and Instagram. If you want to chat me on Instagram, please my channel link, my ID link as on my channel, go and check out. Okay, and also follow us on Instagram. You can see here this time the last 24 hours they jump like a Spider-Man. They gone like a rocket, definitely very fast speed. You can see here moving like a rocket. So this is very fastest cryptocurrencies, guys. But this time they take a small jump, a small dump also. So I hope in upcoming days they go on like this type of result. They give you a minute, they make you millionaire, they give you very high price, they give you a very good profit. So don't waste your time, please. If you have any plan to buy more, then buy, hold, and wait for good time. Then good time is coming, please. And at the end of this month I hope they give you a very high price. Hopefully, definitely they give you $1 US for the latest price. The latest price is half US dollar, and I hope they cross $1 US at the end of this month. So wait for good time. And the good news is that the giveaway of Chiliz is coming soon. Please wait for the giveaway. You just complete my 10,000 subscribes, then I do a giveaway. Complete just 10,000 subscribe. Hope you just do it. Click on the subscribe button and wait for good time. 5,000 Chiliz giveaway is coming. 5,000 coins, guys. Don't waste your time. Like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz. Take care.